Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create pet logos for your pet shop, pet store, or any other pet-related business. Creating pet logos on Canva is really simple, and in just a few minutes, using a few steps, you can design a professional-looking pet logo for your business. So, make sure you have created your account in Canva, and after creating it, you should go to the search bar and type in Pet Logo, and you will see a lot of options. Just tap on Show More to explore further, and look for the designs that appeal to you and meet your expectations. Scroll down, maybe I'll go with this one. Okay, this one is free, and it looks good to me, so I will go with this one and customize this template. If you don't find any you like, just explore more and click Show More until you find one that aligns with your expectations. Once you find a template, just customize it. After clicking on Customize, you will be able to customize anything you want, like colors, your text, or anything else you want to modify. If you want to change the color of icons or elements, then go to the colors and change them. So yeah, this way you can change them. And if you want to change any text, then you can change it as well. If you want to change just the element, then simply remove it and go to the elements and search for maybe cat or dog, depending on what your business is about. Maybe I will go with the cat, and in the graphics you will see a lot of cat icons. Maybe I will go with this one, yeah, like this. If you want to add or change something, let's change the color to match the page. Maybe I want to add a circle around them. Then I will just type circle. I will go to Elements and search for circle. Maybe I will just select and go to Shapes. Go to this. There is the basic circle shape. And I will just make it larger so it fits all the logo fits within it. I will send it to the back. Now, I need to change the color of the circle. To change the color, go to the selected circle and go to the color option and just change it. Yeah, and if I want to add a stroke inside the circle, to do that, go to the stroke style. And here is the option for stroke. Just set a number and choose the color of the stroke. Go to the stroke color and just change it. Look how good it looks right now. I will change this color to maybe black. In this same way, you can create any kind of logo, especially if you are in the pet business. You can create something similar to this. After creating your account, and once you are satisfied with your logo, designed, customized, or modified, then to export it. Go to the Export section here and go to Download. And in whichever format you prefer, download it in that format. There are JPG, PNG, PDF, MP4, and lots of other options for you to export your file. So yeah, just download it and you're ready with your pet logo. Yeah, it's that simple and really easy to create pet logos in Canva. If this video helped you, or if you have any questions about this video or Canva, you can just comment below. I will be answering all your questions, and I will see you in the next video.